This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact contiguous rows or columns you want to collapse or expand. This is critical. Then use Data, Group, Rows or Columns, or press Shift plus Alt plus right arrow to create the group immediately. Excel will add the outline symbols at the left or top. Once done, confirm whether you want the summary row above or below via Outline settings, because that choice affects navigation and printing. Make it intentionally from the start. Now you expand the workflow by creating nested groups to reflect hierarchy. Select the next block inside and repeat group. You can create several outline levels and use the numeric outline buttons 1 through 8 to jump between collapsed states. Make sure to test collapsing from the outermost level inward, because order matters. Collapsing a parent hides children automatically. If needed, remove a selected grouping with Shift plus Alt plus left arrow, keeping the rest intact. Finish by verifying the final outline. Expand and collapse each level, then choose Ungroup or Clear Outline to remove unwanted groupings. If something breaks, outline symbols missing or groups not collapsing, check for filtered rows, frozen panes, or hidden rows that block grouping. As a quick fix, copy the range to a new sheet and recreate groups. This often restores expected behavior. Finally, make sure to save a version after successful grouping to avoid repeating the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.